Hello everybody, this is Sound Like a 13. National Weather Service have issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newburgh, Warwick County. And if you're in Warwick or Vanderburgh County, seek shelter. We have spotted a possible wall cloud, and we're having possible hailstones anyway. And it's about to get wet right now. And right now we're looking at the storm right now. And oh my gosh, look at this. Maybe producing severe. It's like a swirl going on. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's maybe producing some hail right now. And if you're in this area, seek shelter. This is a possible severe storm activity. If you're in this area, take cover. We will get to update pretty soon, and I'll hold y'all later.